This is session number 55 for third semester B students. Milne's method, second order ordinary differential equations. So far we solved one problem. Now one more problem. Apply Milne's method to compute y of 0.8 given that d2y by dx square is equals to 1 minus 2y dy by dx and the following table of initial values. So initial values it is given x 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6. So y is 0, 0.02, 0.795, 0.1762 and y dash is this much. So apply character formula twice in presenting the value of y at x is equal to 0.8. That means we have to calculate y of 0.8. In this problem, first we have to put y dash is equals to dy by dx is equals to z. We have to put y dash is equal to z. That means y dash is equals to dy by dx is equals to z. We obtain y double dash, differentiating this term, y double dash is equals to d2y by dx square is equals to z dash. Y double dash is equal to z dash. The given equation becomes z dash is equals to this one, z dash is equals to, so z dash means d2y by dx square, z dash is equals to 1 minus 2y and dy by dx means y dash. This is equals to 1 minus 2y and y dash means z. That means z dash is equal to 1 minus 2y y dash. Now z naught dash is equals to 1 minus 2 y naught dash. So it is 1 minus 2 y naught. It is 0. Y naught is 0 and y dash is again 0. That means here x naught is equal to 0, x1, x2, x3, y naught, y1, y2, y3 and so on. So it is next z1 dash is equal to 1 minus 2 y naught dash 2 y naught z1, it is 2 y1 means this one. So it is x naught x1, this is y1. So y1 is 0.02 and y1 dash is 0.1996, it becomes 0.992. Similarly z2 dash is equal to 1 minus 2 y2 dash, this becomes 0.9374. Next z3 dash is equals to 1 minus 2 y3 is here 0.1762 and y3 dash 0.5689. So it becomes 0.7995. We have the following table. So x is equals to, it is given x naught is equal to 0, x1 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, x3. Similarly y naught, y1, y2, y3. Next y dash is equals to z. We have taken y dash is equals to z. That means z naught is next z naught, x naught, y naught, z naught dash. So the calculated value we inserted here 1. So 0.992, 0.9374 and for z3 dash it is 0.799. Just we calculated value we inserted here. Only we have to this one y double dash. So y double dash is nothing but z dash. It is y double dash is equals to z dash. We first consider Milne's predictor formula. Y4 of p is equals to y naught plus 4h by 3 2 z1 minus z2 plus 2 z3. So y naught is equals to 0 plus 4 into h. H is how much here? So it is the width size or difference of this one, 0.4 minus 0.2. So it is definitely h is equals to 0.2. So everywhere it is equidistant. It is given in question only. It is h is equals to this much, 0.6 minus 0.4, it is 0.2. The distance is, width size is 0.2. We first consider this one. So 4 into 0.2 divided by h is 0.2 divided by 3 to z1 So here Z1 is 0.1996 minus 2Z1 minus Z2. Z2 is here 0.397 plus 2Z3, 2 into Z3, 0.5689. So we got 0.30488 is equal to round up 0.3049. Next Z4 of P formula again same. Z4 of P, Z0 in place of Y0, Z0 plus 4H by 3 to Z1 dash, this time Z1 dash minus Z2 dash plus 2 Z3 dash. So inserting the values, Z0 dash is equals to here Z0 is equals to 0 and putting the values 4 into H values 0.2 divided by 3 to Z1 and this one. So we are going to get 0.70549, that means 0.7055. Next we consider Milne's corrector formula. Y4 of C is equals to Y2 plus H by 3. Two formulas we have, Y4 of P, Z4 of P, Y4 of C and Z4 of C. So Y4 of C is equals to Y2 plus H by 3, Z2 plus 4, Z3 plus Z4. So inserting value, Y2 is how much? Y2 is 0.0795. So 0.2 divided by H is 0.2 divided by 3 and the values of Z2, Z3, Z4 after calculating we are going to get 0.3045. Next Z4 dash is equals to how much? So here 1 minus Z4 dash is equal to 1 minus 2 YZ it is. So 1 minus 2 YZ, so it becomes, when Z dash is equal to 1 minus 2 YZ, Z4 means 1 minus 2 Y4 and Z4 of P. Z4, Y4, Z4. So 1 minus 2 of Y4 of P 0.3049. Y4 of P, P is equal to 0.30. Here it is 45. Here it is 0.3049. That means this is not the value of, this is the value of Y4 of C. So Y4 of P, how much we got? So Y4 of P we got 0.3049. That value we have to insert here and Z4 of P 0.7055. So Z4 of P is equals to 0.7055. So we are going to get 0.5698. That is the value of Z4 dash. Next Z4 character is equal to same formula. Z in place of Y2, Z2 plus H by 3. Z2 it is Z2 dash. Now this is 4 plus Z3 dash plus Z4 dash. This is the formula. So if you don't remember this formula, it is difficult to solve the problem. Now Z2 is equal to 0.3937. So Z2 is equal to 0.3937. Next H is 0.2 divided by 3. Next Z2 dash value plus 4 Z3 dash plus Z4. Z4 value we got 5698 here. We have to insert this. So we are going to get 0.7074. Applying the corrector formula again for Y4, we have Y4 of C is equals to 0.07. So 0.0795, 0.2 divided by 3. Next 0.3937 plus 4 into 5689 plus here in place of this latest value we have to insert. What is that? 0.7074. So it becomes 0.3046. Thus the required solution y of 0.8 is equals to 0.3046. Y4 means, so x0 is 0, y0 is 0, y1 0.2, y3 0.2. So here we got like this. Here x1, x2, x3 0.6. Next x4 is 0.8. So y0, y1, y2, y3. After y4 it becomes 0.8. That means y4 character y of 0.8 is equal to 0.3046. This is the final answer for this problem.